Kelly Nekesa uria ni muiritu wa miaka 22 akuire agika kigeranio gia githwairi thibitari-ini wa Bungoma kuria akoretwo akirigitwo thutha wake gukorwo akigeria kuruta nda. Kwa ihinda ria thikũ 2 Nekesa akoretwo agikira kigeranio giake thibitari-ini ino.
Today morning she had indicated to the nurse in the ward that she'll be able to do her exams. So while in the exam room the invigilators came in, she started doing her exams. She actually did the first question, but unfortunately at that point her condition changed and she succumbed to septicemia.
Nake ithe wa muiritu uyu augite gikuo giake kiumanite nake gukorwo ni arageretie kuruta nda akihuthira dawa cia kienyeji.
Alikuwa karibu anafanya mtihani lakini wanakimbia. Na ndio wakaona huyu mtoto alikula matawa lakini sio yatuka.
Na kuo kaunti-ini ya Samburu, murutwo wa thukuru wa Maralal arathi na mbere na kigeranio giake thibitari-ini nene wa Maralal thutha wa gukura arwarite kwa ihinda iraya ari thukuru. Ndagitari wa thibitari iyo ni arataririo uria murutwo ucio akoretwo na mathina ma mwiri no akauga kwa ihinda riri muturiro wake nduri hatikaini.
He is a Form 4 student at Maralal High School, was admitted on 12th with a history of coughing, chest pain and general body malaise. This student has been in treatment for the last 4 weeks. On examination was sick looking, was febrile. We did a chest x-ray, laboratory investigation. Currently is on treatment, progressing very well.
Oho ndagitari uyu ne ugite murutwo uyu no akorwa kirekererio kuma thibitari-ini thikũ nini ciukite. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV ni Ngetwo Wanjiru wa Njuguna.